10 benefits for OpenAI GPT's Builder, a tool for customizing ChatGPT. We are thrilled to present to you the newest chapter of our video series, introducing the groundbreaking innovation behind OpenAI's latest release, GPT's Builder. In today's episode, we'll explore the 10 benefits of using this powerful tool and provide step-by-step plans for each principle. We'll also showcase 2 illustrative instances of companies that have successfully implemented these techniques. 1. Personalized customer interactions. One of the benefits is having personalized interactions with customers. With GPT's Builder, you can create tailored AI chatbots that provide accurate and efficient support to your customers. Here's a step-by-step plan to implement this principle. Step 1. Identify common customer queries and pain points. Step 2. Train your GPT model to understand and respond to these queries effectively. Step 3. Seamlessly incorporate the AI chatbot into your customer support system. Step 4. Continuously monitor and improve the chatbot's performance based on customer feedback. Example 1. Company X, an e-commerce platform, implemented a personalized AI chatbot using GPT's Builder. The chatbot effectively handled customer queries regarding product availability, order status, and returns, leading to enhanced customer satisfaction and decreased response durations. Example 2. Telecom service provider Company Y successfully used GPT's Builder to create an impressive chatbot that effectively tackled common customer concerns such as billing, network coverage, and plan upgrades. Using the AI chatbot decreased call volumes to the customer support center and improved customer retention rates by quickly providing solutions. Two. Seamless language translation. Another great advantage is the seamless translation of languages. GPT's Builder enables you to create AI models that excel at translating text from one language to another. Let's outline the step-by-step plan for implementing this principle. Step 1. First, establish the languages you wish to include in your translation support. Step 2. Gather relevant bilingual datasets for training your GPT model. Step 3. Improve translation accuracy by fine-tuning your model with the collected data. Step 4. Integrate the AI translation system into your platform or application. Example 1. Renowned travel agency, Company A, harnessed the power of GPT's Builder to develop an exceptional AI translation system. This advanced technology easily helps customers by providing smooth translations of travel documents, hotel information, and local transportation details. This enabled seamless communication for travelers in different countries and enhanced their overall experience. Example 2. Company B, a global e-commerce marketplace, implemented an AI translation system using GPT's Builder. This system automatically translates product descriptions and customer reviews into different languages. It helps sellers reach more people and enables buyers to make better purchasing decisions. 3. Content generation. The third benefit is the generation of content. GPT's Builder empowers you to automate content creation across various platforms. Here's a step-by-step plan to implement this principle. Step 1. Determine the type of content you want to generate: blogs, social media posts, etc. Step 2. Carefully select and gather pertinent datasets or pre-existing content to be used as training material. Step 3. Fine-tune your GPT model on the selected data to ensure accurate and engaging content generation. Step 4. Integrate the AI content generation system into your content management workflow. Example 1. Company C, a digital marketing agency, used GPT's Builder to automate social media content generation. The AI system creates engaging social media posts by following predefined prompts and brand guidelines. This helps clients to keep a captivating online presence that is consistently engaging. Example 2. Company D, a news organization, employed GPT's builder to automate article writing. The AI system generated news articles based on real-time data feeds and predefined templates. This allowed them to deliver up-to-date news stories quickly, catering to a diverse range of readers' interests. 4. Enhanced productivity. The fourth benefit is that productivity is greatly enhanced. GPT's builder can assist in various professional tasks, boosting efficiency and saving time. Let's outline the step-by-step plan for implementing this principle. Step 1. Identify specific tasks or projects where AI assistants can improve productivity. Step 2. Train your GPT model on relevant data or resources related to those tasks. Step 3. Fine-tune the model to provide valuable guidance and support for the identified tasks. Step 4. Integrate the AI assistant into your workflow or project management tools. Example 1. Company E, a software development firm, utilized GPT's builder to create an AI assistant that automated code reviews and provided suggestions for code optimization. This AI assistant significantly reduced the time spent on manual code reviews and improved the overall code quality. Example 2. Company F, a personal productivity app developer, incorporated GPT's builder into their app to offer users an AI assistant that managed their schedules, prioritized tasks, and provided reminders. This AI assistant helped users stay organized, resulting in increased productivity and reduced stress levels. 5. Data analysis and insights. The fifth benefit is the ability to analyze data and gain valuable insights. GPT's builder can assist in extracting valuable information from large datasets, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions. Here's a step-by-step plan to implement this principle. Step 1. Identify the key data sources and variables you want to analyze. Step 2. Prepare and clean the data to ensure its quality and relevance. Step 3. Train your GPT model to analyze the data and extract actionable insights. Step 4. Integrate the AI data analysis system into your existing analytics tools or create a new dashboard. Example 1. Company G, a retail chain, utilized GPT's builder to analyze customer purchase history and preferences. The AI system provided insights on popular products, customer segmentation, and personalized recommendations. This helped the company optimize inventory management, boost sales, and enhance customer satisfaction. Example 2. Company H, a financial services firm, employed GPT's builder to analyze market trends and predict stock prices. The AI system processed vast amounts of historical data, identified patterns, and generated accurate forecasts. This enabled the company to make informed investment decisions and achieve better portfolio performance. 6. Lead generation and qualification. The sixth benefit revolves around the generation and qualification of leads. GPT's builder can assist in identifying potential leads and qualifying them based on specific criteria. Let's outline the step-by-step plan for implementing this principle. Step 1. Define your ideal customer profile and the criteria for lead qualification. Step 2. Gather relevant data or use existing customer information for training your GPT model. Step 3. Fine-tune the model to identify potential leads based on the defined criteria. Step 4. Integrate the AI lead generation and qualification system into your sales and marketing processes. Example 1. Company I, a B2B software provider, leveraged GPT's builder to automate lead generation. The AI system analyzed company data, industry trends, and online interactions to identify potential customers who matched their ideal profile. This streamlined their sales process, resulting in higher conversion rates. Example 2. Company J, a digital marketing agency, implemented an AI-based lead qualification system using GPT's builder. The AI system analyzed customer behavior, engagement metrics, and online interactions to determine the likelihood of conversion. This helped the agency prioritize leads and allocate resources effectively for maximum ROI. 7. Social media marketing. Benefit number 7 is social media marketing. GPT's builder can help businesses create engaging social media campaigns that resonate with their target audience. Here's a step-by-step plan to implement this principle. Step 1. Identify your target audience and social media platforms you want to focus on. Step 2. Gather relevant content, including images, videos, and text, for training your GPT model. Step 3. Fine-tune the model to generate captivating social media posts and advertisements. Step 4. Integrate AI-generated content into your social media scheduling and publishing tools. Example 1. Company K, a fashion retailer, used GPT's builder to automate social media content creation. The AI system generated visually appealing posts with catchy captions that resonated with their target audience. This resulted in increased brand awareness, engagement, and ultimately, sales. Example 2. Company L, a travel agency, implemented AI-generated social media advertisements using GPT's builder. The AI system created compelling ad copies with captivating visuals that enticed users to explore travel packages. This led to higher click-through rates and increased bookings for the agency. 8. Customer sentiment analysis. Benefit number 8 is customer sentiment analysis. GPT's builder can help businesses analyze customer feedback and sentiment across various channels to understand their customers better. Let's outline the step-by-step plan for implementing this principle. Step 1. Gather customer feedback data from different sources such as reviews, surveys, and social media. Step 2. Clean and pre-process the data to prepare it for sentiment analysis. Step 3. Train your GPT model to analyze the sentiment of customer feedback accurately. Step 4. Integrate the AI sentiment analysis system into your customer relationship management, CRM, or analytics tools. Example 1. Company M, a hospitality chain, utilized GPT's builder to analyze customer reviews across various platforms. By accurately analyzing sentiments in real time, the AI system proficiently detected both positive and negative feedback. This enabled the company to promptly address any customer concerns and enhance their overall experience to the highest degree. Example 2. Company N, an e-commerce marketplace, implemented an AI-based sentiment analysis system using GPT's builder. The AI system has analyzed customers' feedback from product pages and social media. It has learned a lot about their preferences and satisfaction. This helped the company tailor its offerings and marketing strategies accordingly. 9. Personalized marketing. Benefit number 9 is personalized marketing. GPT Builder can help businesses deliver tailored marketing messages to individual customers, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Here's a step-by-step plan to implement this principle. Step 1. Collect and analyze customer data, including demographics, purchase history, and browsing behavior. Step 2. Use the insights gained from the data analysis to create customer segments or personas. Step 3. Train your GPT model to generate personalized marketing content based on these segments. Step 4. Integrate AI-generated content into your email marketing, website, or ad campaigns. Example 1. Company O, an online retailer, employed GPT's Builder to personalize their email marketing campaigns. The AI system generated customized product recommendations for each customer based on their browsing and purchase history. This resulted in higher open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, increased sales. Example 2. Company P, a subscription-based service provider, implemented AI-generated personalized landing pages using GPT's Builder. The AI system dynamically generated landing page content based on the customer's preferences and previous interactions. This led to improved conversion rates and reduced bounce rates. Chatbot optimization. Benefit number 10 is chatbot optimization. GPT's Builder can enhance customer service by training chatbots to provide accurate and helpful responses to customer queries. Let's outline the step-by-step plan for implementing this principle. Step 1. Identify the common questions and scenarios that customers encounter. Step 2. Prepare a dataset of customer queries and corresponding responses for training your GPT model. Step 3. Fine-tune the model to understand and generate appropriate answers based on the context. Step 4. Integrate the AI-powered chatbot into your customer support system or website. Example 1. Company Q, a telecommunications provider, utilized GPT's Builder to optimize its chatbot for customer support. The AI-powered chatbot was trained to understand various technical queries and provide accurate troubleshooting steps. This reduced the need for human intervention, resulting in faster response times and improved customer satisfaction. Example 2. Company R, an e-commerce platform, implemented an AI-based chatbot using GPT's Builder to handle customer inquiries. The chatbot was trained to understand product-related questions, provide recommendations, and assist with order tracking. This streamlined their customer support process and improved overall efficiency. Conclusion. That concludes our exploration of 4 more benefits of using GPT's Builder for marketing. We've provided step-by-step plans for each principle and showcased 2 illustrative instances of companies that have successfully implemented these techniques. We are excited to provide you with an update from our PC Social team. They have been diligently conducting extensive tests on the revolutionary GPT Builder for the past few weeks. They are now on the verge of making a highly anticipated announcement regarding its release.